So let's say you've got Shiba Inu sitting in your KuCoin and you want to move it to your wallet. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into KuCoin, go to the app or website and sign in with your account. If you got 2FA set up, make sure to confirm it. Step 2. Scroll down and then go to withdraw. Here, select Shiba Inu, scroll down your list of coins or just type SHIB into the search bar, tap it, then hit withdraw. Step 4. Paste your wallet address. Open your external wallet like Trust Wallet on Ethereum and copy your SHIB deposit address. Make sure the network matches. Most people use ERC20 or the cheaper BSC network, depending on your wallet. Step 5. Enter the amount. You can hit max if you want to send it all or type in how much SHIB you're moving. Step 6. Confirm the fees. KuCoin will show you at the network fees before you can hit confirm. Always double check it's reasonable and that you're using the correct chain. Step 7. Verify and send. Step 8. Check your wallet. Depending on the network you choose, SHIB will always show up a few minutes to an hour. Always refresh your wallet or check the blockchain explorer if it feels low. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.